you guys, so the first thing that I did, I added a little bit of oil to my pot. And I'm going to start by putting my sausage in the pan. And just letting that brown a little bit. Okay, so I've let it brown for about 3 to 4 minutes. And at this point, I'm just going to add in my vegetables. So I got some celery, onion, green and red bell pepper, and some garlic. I'm gonna let that cook down and we'll be back. And I forgot to mention in my introduction, but I'm gonna add in a few tablespoons of butter as well. So that's about maybe 2 tablespoons or about 2.5 tablespoons of butter. Okay, so it's been 10 minutes, and when I say the smells is already taken over, but at this point, we are going to add in our chicken broth. And I'm sorry, I didn't even put that in my ingredients in the beginning either. But okay, yeah, we're going to add in our chicken broth. I'll probably do half chicken broth and then half water. Alright, at this point it got a little bubble to it. So I added 1 cup of the crushed tomatoes and a half a cup of the diced tomatoes. And I'm going to add that in there. I got 3 bay leaves I'm going to add. And I'm just going to add in the Zatarain's rice and seasonings. And so we're going to bring this to a boil and then let it simmer for about 25 minutes. But I'm going to let it simmer for 15 minutes and then come back and add in the shrimp and the oysters. I'm going to add the shrimp right up in there. And my oysters. So I got the Bumblebee Premium Select Fancy Smoked Oysters. And I'm just going to add them right up in there. And we're going to let that finish cooking, let the rice soak up all that juice, and I will see you guys back in about 10 minutes. Alright, you guys, so this is the end result of the jambalaya, and it came out so good. I got me some garlic bread over here that I made that I'm going to serve up with it. Thank y'all for watching this video. Stay tuned for more. Like, comment, and share, and subscribe, and see you later.